Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. And boy, do we have a special for you today. We've got Chance, the Vegas Golden Knights mascot, to go Christmas shopping today with. So Chance, let me show you some of the varieties of trees that we have for you to pick from today. This is one of the favorites. This is a Douglas fir tree. It's very fragrant. If you can smell that, oh yeah, is that good? Yeah, that'll fragrance your house up pretty good. These trees are the best value we have for your money. 5 to 7 foot Douglas firs, just $29.88 each. If you're looking for a really premium tree, this Nordman fir, look how full, nice dark green that is. Isn't that a beautiful tree? And we've got these as tall as 7 to 8 feet, which this one is. 8 feet? All right, only $89.88 for a 7 to 8 foot Nordman fir. So Chance, here's a tree you're going to be very excited about. This is what's called a noble fir. Noble like a knight. All right, so these are very, very nice trees. They give you more of that layered effect, and so you can kind of hide presents in there. Yeah, surprise people with them. And this is a very nice tree. 6 to 7 footers, only $69.88. So Chance, now that you've seen the varieties of trees that we have to offer, which one did you pick? Well, where's the rest of it? We do have these tabletops for $19.88, but we can find you a bigger one. So Chance, now that you've bought the tree, we're going to show you what the Star difference is by taking care of it here for you. We will trim it up, and he'll make a fresh cut on it on the end so it'll take up water much better. And he'll also put it in a plastic bag so you don't drop needles all over when you drag it through the house. To keep your tree fresher longer, be sure to get it in a water stand as soon after being cut as possible, and use some tree preservatives as well. This will keep it fresher, and also try to keep it out of the way of heater vents or any warm areas in your home. So we want to thank Chance for doing his Christmas tree shopping at Star Nursery and experiencing the Star Nursery difference. Go Knights, go! And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. And from everybody here at Star Nursery, we wish you a very safe and happy holiday season. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.